Okay, so for the second part of our classwork number 2, this will be a recorded video naman for the second unit or the second design. Okay, so as you can see again on our given drawing, ulit para-pareho po tayo ng dimensions na 4 meters on x-axis and 3.6 meters on y-axis. But the design, we must vary. Okay, so it's time to bring out those creative juices out of you. Okay, the previous one, as you can see, more on linear siya. But the second design, it's kind of a mixture of linears and curves. So let's see how we can do this. By the way, this will be the 3D outcome of that. Okay, so let's see. Let's go back with CAD. Okay, so if you still recall, kasama ko na po siyang inalign earlier dun sa previous video. Ito siya. Kasama natin siyang inalign dito. Yan. Okay, then if you still recall also, we have used box, we have used extrude and subtract and sweep from the previous model, this one. Okay, so let's see. Dito tayo. I just want to, I just want you guys to take a look at this one. Okay, so say for example, I have selected this tool. Yan. Then I will be clicking extrude. Type natin 0.05. Okay, pag in-orbit ko yan, check ninyo. Okay, it's not something that we want to happen. Okay, that's not the result that we want to achieve. So, escape ko lang. Ito yung gusto natin. Okay, solid siya, sarado. Okay, so how do you do that? I'm going to type VS to change my visual style into 2D wireframe. Actually, I also use this one, but that's the command counterpart. Then, punta ako sa top view. Okay, so this was my object. Okay, ito yung 2D ko. Now, ang ginawa ko dyan, para maging buo siya, nag-command ako ng boundary or BO, enter. Sabi niya, pick points. Okay, so zoom in lang ako dito. I will be clicking here sa loob, sa gitna. Click, enter. So, there you go. Gumawa siya ng isang buong object. That's why ito, lipat ako ng view. Say, southwest. Okay, ito yung can-create natin na boundary. Extrude ko siya, this and this also, para makita nyo ulit what's the difference. And 0.05, enter. Let's change our visual style into realistic. So, there you go. So, that's the difference pag hindi mo siya ginawa ng boundary. Bukas siya. Hindi siya solid. Ito, solido. Ito, this one is solid kasi it's an extruded volume out of a closed 2D object. Ito, hindi. Surface object lang siya. Para nilagyan mo lang ng height yung isang segment, 2D segment. Okay? So, let's all make or create boundaries out of those. Burahin ko lang to. So, top view. And 2D wireframe. Zoom in lang ako. Nabura ko pala siya. Anyway, that's BO. Pick points. Okay, so click, enter. Enter to repeat boundary. Pick points. Click, enter. And enter to repeat your previous command, which was boundary. Pick points lang ulit. Click, enter. Enter to terminate and enter to repeat your previous command. Click, click, sorry. Click, enter. You have to make sure na wala siyang open. Kasi kunwari, meron siyang open na ganito. Subukan natin siyang i-boundary. BO. Pick points. Kinlik ko yan. Iba yung lumalabas. Ayan. Okay? So, you have to be careful. Make sure na sarado po siya. Ito, EX ko lang. EX, enter, enter. Click ko lang siya doon. Ulitin ko, the area should be closed for you to create a boundary. Okay, so BO, enter, pick points, and click, enter. Until matapos nyo siya. There are kind of many boundaries. BO, enter, pick points, yan. Oh, that's also another one. BO, enter, pick points, click, enter, BO, enter, pick points. So, lahat ng yan, binoundary ko. Okay? And this was actually the finished product. Para lang siyang cooking show. Yan. Lahat po yan, binoundary ko. Yung naka-orange. Except itong, ano, circle. Kasi sarado naman siya. Okay? All of the orange thing, binoundary ko po yan. Para buo sila. So, when you're good, when you're all set, at nakapag-create na kayo ng buong objects sa 2D design niyo, you're good to 3D. Okay? So, that is southeast. Okay? I just have to delete this one. Kasi yun nga, hindi sila boundary. Okay? So, I need close objects para makapag-create ako ng 3D objects. So, I just have to delete that. Okay? Tapos ito, burahin ko na rin to. Di ko na rin naman siya gagamitin. Kasi meron na ako dito. I just have to move this somewhere here. Para malapit lang. Tapos, again, that's 3P. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Erase ko na rin po yung i-enter. Burahin ko na rin yung mga dimensions. Make sure, ulitin ko, that the original object, i-duplicate nyo na lang para safe siya. Okay? Or ito pala ata yun. Okay. So, no problem as long as you copied a lot. Basta importante, hindi nasisira yung na-finalize nyo na. Okay, burahin ko rin to. And this one also. Okay, then we're ready to align. AL enter. Select nyo muna itong buong ito, yung object na i-align ninyo. Make sure everything is selected para walang maiwan. Okay, then you press enter when you're done selecting. Sabi niya, specify first source point. Kunin ko siya dito. Okay, when I click this, the command line will tell you or will ask you to specify the destination. Ito yung destination niya. Okay, click. Second source, dito naman tayo. Click. And dito. Click. And third naman, third source, click. And third destination point, dito. Click. Okay? So, yan. Tumayo na siya. Click natin to. Escape, or sorry, e-enter. Select this, and enter para mabura siya. Okay? Now, we're good to extrude. I can just type simply RE to regen. Kasi nakikita nyo, hindi lumilitaw yung orange. Kasi yung orange objects, yun yung mga boundary natin na kailangan natin ma-select. Okay? So, RE, enter. So, there you go. Okay. So, EXT, EXT, enter. That's the shortcut for extrude. Select the orange things. Yan. Pwede nyo minsanan i-select. But I'm selecting one at a time para dun sa iba na medyo nag-a-adjust pa into the 3D creation environment. Okay? So, pag selected na to, or pwede nyo lang yung simultaneous, actually. Pero, ito na lang, sige. Yung iba mamaya, one at a time tayo. Although, if you want, kung para-pareho naman yung thickness nila, you can do simultaneous extrude. Okay, I hope you follow. And we press enter after that. After everything that we need to extrude are selected, you need to press enter. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-enter ka, you're done selecting. Okay, so you are prompted to specify height of extrusion. Okay, so you have to type 0.05, but since previous amount, yun din yung gagamitin ko. So, I'll just have to accept that by pressing enter. Okay? And, check what has been done. Realistic. Okay? Hindi mo pa siya makikita. Maybe on 2D wireframe, you think it's okay. Iisipin mo ganito na siya. No, hindi. Okay? Pag tinignan natin yan sa realistic. There you go. Ito siya. Okay? We'll go first with the circle sa baba. Okay? Subtract. Select this icon. Select the bigger one kasi yun yung babawasan mo ng volume. So, after selecting that, you need to press enter and select objects and click this one. Ito yung object na ibabawas natin. Then we press enter. Okay? And select subtract again. Select the bigger one. Enter. And select the smaller one. Click. Enter. Yan. Dun pa lang siya lumitaw. Okay? Ito yung isa hindi pa siya kasi nagtatakpan sila ng volume neto. Okay? Burahin ko lang to. So, let's do the same process. Okay. So, again, that's subtract. Click the icon. Select the bigger one kasi yung object na babawasan mo. Then, press enter. And select object ulit or anong volume yung ibabawas mo. Ito yun. So, click that. Enter. There you go. So, let's repeat the same. Subtract. Click. Click the bigger one. Enter. And select the smaller one. Just have to be careful, okay? Do not click unless hindi nagka-highlight yung object na kailangan mong i-select. Okay? Click, enter. Okay? So, we're good with this. Okay? O, gawin natin to. Select this, select this, select this, and click extrude. Okay? And type natin 0.05. Enter. Okay? Tapos ito, we will be using what? From here, hanapin natin yung sphere. Yan. We pick dun sa midpoint. Click. And another one. Ayaw niya dun sa midpoint. Hanapin niyo yung midpoint. Meron kayong makikita. Do not click kaagad. Hanapin niyo muna. Pag nag-snap siya, okay na siya, dun kayo mag-click. Okay? And it seems hindi siya nakagitna. So, I just have to move it. Enter. Select this. Enter. Kunin ko na lang yung midpoint dito. 1 and 2. There you go. Doon pa lang siya gumitna. Okay? And just copy this one. C. Enter. Oh, sorry. CO. Enter. Select the sphere. Enter. I can just simply click onto midpoint here. So, we click that. And lagay natin siya dito. Click. Enter. Okay? Let's do the same thing. Dito naman. Sphere pa rin po. Click. We click on the center point. Make sure that your object snap is on. So, click. And click. So, hindi nakagitna yan. Gitna natin. Enter. Select this. Enter. Get the midpoint. And dito. Okay? Then you copy. CO. Enter. We select this. Enter. Pwede nyo rin kunin na base point yun dito. Midpoint to midpoint. Okay? Click. Enter. And of course, do not forget to quick save. Okay? We're almost done. Yung kasunod na lang is okay. Eto. Okay? So, nakikita ninyo, hindi gano'n lumilitaw. If ever na hindi gano'n lumilitaw yung orange or yung boundary na kinreate ninyo, select nyo to, burahin ninyo. Yan. Lilitaw siya nun. Okay? Or try to RE. Yan. Or burahin. Pwede din. Until lumitaw yung orange. Or yung boundary na kinreate ninyo. Okay? So, again, that's EXT. I'll be selecting this one. Okay? Yung mga boundaries. Class, again, do not click your cursor unless nag-highlight na po yung object. Okay? Pag nag-highlight nga, pwede nyo nang i-click. So, enter. And same pa rin po. Thickness, 0.05. So, just press enter to accept that. We're almost done. But, again, we need to subtract. Select this. Select this one kasi ito yung object na babawasan natin. Then, enter. And, there you go. Do not click yet. Hintayin nyo mag-highlight yung object. Okay? So, click. Then, enter. We're good. Okay? So, ito na siya. So, the next thing is, we have to create the platform. Okay? Create ako ng bago. I'm going to type 3P. 1 and 2. Yan. Pwede ko siyang i-move sa gitna. Enter. Select. Enter. Click doon. Tapos dito. Okay, you can just simply erase this. This is for the platform. Okay. And then, I'm going to extrude. EXT. Select this. Enter. 0.05. Enter. And enter to repeat the command. Select this. Enter. And this is 0.1. Kaya lang hindi siya gumitna. Okay? So, we have to move it. Dapat gumitna siya. Okay? So, let's see. M, enter. Select this, enter. I'm going to pick it somewhere here. Papunta dito. Yan. Just to check. 3DO. Yan. Tama. Naka-ano na siya. Perfectly placed and located. Okay? Escape. And I'm just going to copy this one pababa. Make sure ortho is on. Okay? So, CO, enter. Select, enter. Click isang endpoint or perpendicular. Then slowly guide it downwards. Make sure ortho is on. Then that's 3.55. Enter, enter. Okay? So, we're good. So, ito na po yung finished product ng sa akin. Okay? So, medyo may lumilitaw siyang green. Yan. So, again, that's matte. Enter. So, kayo na pong pumili. Okay? Kung anong material yung ilalagay ninyo. But yung sa akin kasi, I just prefer them to be white para for visual ng mga estudyante. Minsan kasi pag nasa screen siya, medyo malayo sa board, kung pipila ko ng darker colors, some students are having hard time seeing it. So, I did something white na lang or something that will contrast the background para madali siyang makita. But for your own project, yung mga sa inyo, you can select any. Okay? Tapos, ulitin ko, sa dimension lang po tayo uniform. The rest, dapat, sa sarili nyo na po design. Okay? Now, I'm closing this one. Okay na. Nagawa na natin. Andiyan na yung 3D models. Andito na po yung mga 2D. Okay? So, saan tayo pupunta? First, save ko muna. Punta kayo sa layout. Okay? So, yung sa akin, naka-setup na siya. Pero, sa inyo, pag nag-layout kayo, okay? So, halimbawa, ito yung sa inyo. Okay? Either, meron kasi kayong default. Layout 1 and layout 2. Yung layout 1 ko, nagalaw ko na. Yung layout 2 ko, default pa rin siya. So, ganito yung makikita ninyo pag nagpunta kayo sa layout. Kasi ang gawin nyo lang, paki-delete lang to. Just delete that. Okay? Pag na-delete nyo na, meron akong in-upload na CAD file sa classroom. Buksan nyo yon. Okay? Ito siya. Okay. Just select it. Control-C to copy. Balik kayo dun sa file natin. Okay? And Control-V. Click. And double press your middle mouse. That serves as zoom extent. Okay? So, ito siya. Now, probably hindi ganito yung makikita ninyo. But what you're going to do is to double click inside. Zoom out. Lagay nyo dito yung 2D ninyo. Yan. Okay? Meron na pong viewport yan, ha? Double click ka lang ako palabas. Pag nag-double click kayo dito, yan, yung mga nakikita nyo parang rectangles. Those are already viewports. So, double click nyo lang. Hanapin nyo yung 2D. Okay? Kasi, ito yung pinaka-format natin. Okay? Yan yung format natin. So, yan yung susundan natin. So, dito lang. And, there you go. Okay? Probably sa inyo medyo malayo. So, i-move nyo na lang. Kung medyo naman malapit, adjust nyo na lang para hindi naman congested. And then, double-click lang ako palabas. We are asked to do a scale of 1:50. So, double-click ako. Pwede nyo sa inyo, ganito yung lumabas. So, type nyo lang, Z-enter, 1/50 XP. So, ibig sabihin, yung object ninyo sa screen na dinraft natin ng actual size, mag-shrink po siya ng 50 times paliit para mag-fit siya sa paper natin, which is naka-size po ito ng A3. Okay? So, 1/50 XP. Enter. So, ayan na siya. Tapos, ipan nyo na lang. Kasi pwedeng ganito yung lumabas sa inyo. So, ipan nyo na lang. Huwag nyo nang pakita yung base. Ito na lang. Okay? So, we're good. Pag okay ka na dito, para hindi mo siya nagagalaw, double-click ka outside. Okay? Pag okay ka na doon, lipat ka sa isang viewport. You double-click. Okay. Ito, nakaset na siya ng Southwest Isometric tsaka Realistic. Okay? Now, kung bet ninyo is Southeast, wala naman masama. Okay? Zoom in nyo lang. Tapos, say enter, 1/50 XP. So, parang pinresent nyo siya sa scale na 1:50. Tapos, technically, para makita siya ng buo, ipan nyo lang. Yan. Okay? Double click outside. Okay na yung dalawa. O, dito naman tayo sa isa. Double click. Nakaset na yung viewport na yan. Pag pinaste nyo po yung, yung ah, title block na binigay ko, na in-upload ko, automatic na yung viewport. Okay? Now, when you paste this one, pwedeng iba yung lumitaw sa inyo. Pwedeng black lang siyang ganyan. So, gawin nyo lang zoom extent or double click the scroll wheel na middle mouse ninyo. Okay? Tapos, ang gagawin nyo lang nun, hanapin nyo lang yung object. Ayan. Zoom in lang. Okay? Asan ba? Ito pala. Tapos, kunwari, napalaki siyang ganito. O, again, Z enter, 1/50 XP. Enter. Okay? O, bet ninyo ulit, southeast. Pwede naman. Okay? Pag nag-southeast kayo, yun nga lang, lahat masa-southeast siya. So, zoom in nyo na lang, ayusin. Okay? So, again, that's Z enter, 1/50 XP. Enter. Once you're good, labas na po kayo. Okay, double click na palabas para hindi nagagalaw yung view ninyo dito. Kasi kunwari, na double click ninyo dito accidentally, nakapag-pan kayo, nagugulo yung view. So, Control Z lang. Okay, then labas na ulit. Kasi pag nag-highlight yan, ibig sabihin, nag-activate siya. Nag-zoom in ka, nag-zoom out ka, or whatever, okay, affected siya. So, sayang yung view. Na-finalize mo na, aayusin mo pa kasi nga, nagalaw mo. So, be careful. Okay? Always do Control Z. Okay? So, ulit, pag nag-highlight yan, double-click lang kayo palabas para lumabas yung cursor ninyo dito. So, you're safe. Okay? Now, you have to convert this into PDF. Yun po yung ita-turn in sa classwork, which is due next week. Okay? So, just like what I have mentioned on the orientation, every second week po yung pagsasubmit. Halimbawa, yung classwork last time at saka yung classwork eto na ngayon kasalukuyan, sasubmit po sila next week. Okay, dati kasi weekly ako nagpapasubmit. So ngayon, para hindi siya ganong mahirap on your end, yung dalawang classwork na i-discuss ko weekly, isasubmit ninyo on the same second week. Okay, hindi yung ngayon ko siya diniscuss, maghintay kayo ng 2 weeks, hindi po. Sumasabay siya doon sa sinabi kong every second week. Okay? Kasi halimbawa, yung classwork 1 natin, yung living room setup natin, okay, dapat this week siya naka-due. Okay? So, ang ginawa ko, isasabay ko na lang siya dito. Okay? Every second week yung pagpapasa. Although, discussion will be held weekly. And weekly, may bago tayong gagawin. Okay? So, I hope you're okay with that. By the way, meron po tayong mga layers dyan. Etong title block, pag in-insert nyo yan, meron na siyang sariling layers, papasok sila sa file ninyo. If you also want to make your own layer, recycle from the previous CAD file na ginamit nyo sa ARCAD 312, pwede naman. Okay, iba ka pa rin kasi pag may layers. Okay? So, that's the last part of the video module for classwork number 2. Okay? Thank you so much.